Here are the beautiful non-bread pizzas. We got zucchini, mushrooms, onion, spinach, pizza sauce, and I added garlic and Italian seasoning. Okay guys, today is Thursday. I did my workout. I had terrible sleep last night, so I didn't get out of bed till like 9 o'clock. I really need to like work in my night routine, things that will like keep me asleep, like lavender oil, calming tea, or the stress relief yogi tea, like, and having lavender oil on and diffused in my room because I'm just not sleeping well like every night. And I just needed to make it like my night routine just so that I don't get up and wake up. Because my cat, he'll wake me up and then I cannot fall back to sleep because I keep constantly thinking. So we will try to work that in my night routine. I am making non-pizza, little pizza bites, pizza slices. I don't know. I have it in the oven for about 5 minutes. For breakfast, I had an avocado, and then I had a cup of oats with cacao powder. I think that's it that I had this morning. And this is kind of my lunch, and it is 4:20, but it's just because I started out late. I'll probably have dinner when I get back from school pretty late. I have school at 6 o'clock, so I have to leave here in an hour, 6 to 9. But for snack after the pizzas, I'm gonna have a delicious pear, and maybe I'll bring some nuts to school because I tend to get hungry in school. My metabolism is like really weird right now. Like, I've been working out and I haven't been that hungry. Like yesterday I had one meal and it was really bad, but I had 2 appointments in the morning, so I kind of skipped breakfast and then had like a lunch slash dinner in a sense. It was really bad. But that's like the next thing that I'm working on is like my food and how many calories that I eat. I am on a plant-based diet. For that reason, I have to like be eating 2,000 calories a day because that is like my fear, is working out and like losing weight. I don't want to lose weight. I want to gain muscle mass and gain weight. But we'll see how that goes. I just really have to now put my attention into a food routine, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and not missing it. Now that I have like my workout routine and I know what I'm doing, now this is like the next step while I'm in school and everything. That is pretty much what I did today, and I am volunteering with I'm gonna be like part of a peer support. I'll be talking about that in like a future video. And I did some work and some YouTube work and just got some stuff done today. And then I have school. Oh, pizzas are done. I didn't film anything from today's workout, but it was booty and legs. That's what we did. So I did like chest press, squats, lunges with weights, like single lunges. I did a bunch of different things. I did it's called, what is it called? Clam band or whatever. Like you open your legs up like side to side. So I did that, and then I did side leg presses, and then regular leg presses, leg raises, and stuff like that. And I did a little bit of HIIT, high intensity workout with some like legs in and out squats. Sorry, that probably doesn't even make sense. And then I did planks and then stretched. So that was my workout for today. And tomorrow is the next set, the second set. So tomorrow will be a push day, and it will be shoulders, chest, and triceps, set number 2 of her videos. And then Saturday is my rest day, and Sunday will be pull day, which is back and biceps, and Monday will be leg and booty too. I usually have 2 cups of herbal tea for the day because we are in metal season, which supports the lung system in traditional Chinese medicine. I did go and buy some ginger and some lemon, and I'm gonna make just a ginger lemon tea. I don't really like the taste of ginger, so I'm gonna have to like work myself into liking it. For that reason, I'm only putting like 2 little pieces. Pizzas are done. Is sitting there because she wants to play with the laser, and I just played with her and she's really mad now. But we're gonna go for a walk. Aren't these the cutest Christmas socks ever? My mom bought me them, and they're super comfy. Like, they're like double layered. Look at that. Comment down below if you wear Christmas socks. I'm obsessed. I have a ton of socks. This is like my Christmas section of socks. Look at these Santa ones. So Dancer and Prancer. I just finished day 6 at the gym. It is Friday. We did chest, shoulders, triceps 2. People are staring at me. Be right back. Legs are on fire from yesterday. Oh my god. Today we have dog training at 1 o'clock, and my friend Justin is coming with us, and the dog trainer's name is Justin. So that's what is my rest day. So I'm going to be doing a hot bath tonight and tomorrow to give my muscles like a nice relaxation, a nice Epsom salt soak. I give her my pajamas, as the dog trainer said. She's so mad. She kicked it off. Yeah, and she kicked off all the pillows from the couch. There you see I have classical music on. Why are you so mad? I was playing with you beforehand. Look at her with her toy in her paw. This oil diffuser outlet thing. I don't know what you would really call it. But I put spearmint in it, and it has 2 settings. This one goes off every 20 minutes, and then a blue one that goes off every 10 minutes. And I put spearmint in it because it just helps wake me up in the morning and stuff. I'm all dressed and ready for the day. I'm just wearing this cute purple crop top. I can't speak. And it has like a lace thing in the background. Maybe I should show you in the mirror. Hold on. Let's see if you can see it. You see the little like tail? It's a little crock pot. That's what I was gonna say. Crock pot. 2 videos today. It's a little cloudy, so I'm gonna have to use like my studio lights. But I was gonna do them yesterday and it was cloudy, so looks like it's gonna be cloudy. This girl smells peanut butter, the sun butter. I am making 2 pieces of Ezekiel toast with Ezekiel toast with sun butter. This is the one I got, sesame brand. I've been using Chronometer. And with Chronometer, I'm already at 30%, which is fantastic because I've been trying really hard. Yesterday, I got, let's see, up to 1,374 calories. The goal, sorry guys, let me prop you. The goal is to get up to 1,374. She was going nuts. So I hit 60% yesterday. I did eat quite a bit. I just kind of I skipped a meal, right? Because yesterday I had the avocado for breakfast, I had the oats for breakfast, I had a pear for snack, and then I had those pizzas, the 3 non-bread pizzas. So for today, I'm already a head start using Chronometer. I don't know if you can see it. I'm at 30%. I took my Garden of Life vitamin D spray. I am gonna have 2 tablespoons of the sun butter with 2 Ezekiel sesame toast, and then an avocado, which already hits me at 587 calories for the day and 30% target. So for lunch, I think I'm gonna have like a cup of broccoli and sweet potato, maybe, because it's already 10:40. Maybe I will have a sandwich and then have the sweet potato and broccoli for dinner, or I'll have like my leftovers, stuffing and ham. We'll see, because I have to leave here at 12:30 to take Shiva to the dog training. And there it is, 30%, target 587. Hold on, sorry girl. Here is her peanut butter Kong. You want this? Oh, sit down. Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Good girl. Spin. Spin. Good girl. Sit. Bark. Good girl. Up. Good girl. Oh, you want that? Oh, tastes so good. Gonna add some raisins because I love raisins. Get my iron in. It's not really pretty. Sorry, guys. Got my toast, almond milk, and my ginger lemon tea. Shiva. Shiva. Hi. Wowie. Dog training? Shiva. Shiva. They block this off. Sheebies. Look. Who's that? Who's that? Ooh. We got the mistletoe up. Look, it's so cute. It's kind of dark, guys. Sorry. I just put it up. Look. Oh, I got this at Trader Joe's. Huh, girl? It's the pretty tree that Shiva broke. I have a bunch of stuff on my desk, but here it is. And I like smushed in the top to keep it in there. It's hilarious looking. It's like a Charlie Brown tree, kind of, because it's broken. And then I have the lights over there. Hi, girl. Fafa, you're under the mistletoe. Then I got these lights that are so cool around the bookshelf. But I'm gonna put them around the balcony. Right, girl? I put up my pretty Christmas lights. I never ended the vlog. For that reason, I'm gonna end the vlog here. And I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of basically what I do in a week. Definitely hit that like button down below if you like this kind of video, the style with my workouts and just little things that I'm doing throughout the day. And definitely comment down below like new things that you're getting into, or if you're going into a more healthier regimen. Sorry, this is like going in and out of focus, but I'm about to clean and study for my finals. Namaste, guys. The light in me honors the light in you. May all beings be at peace. And look how pretty that is. I just love Christmas. Saturday and Sunday workout schedule, and then on the top right it says water intake.